Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create pet portraits using Artistly, and here are some examples of ones that I have already created. I think these are just so cute. You can create them for your own pets, or they actually sell really well on Etsy as well. Let's jump on in. So we're currently on Artistly at the moment, and to access the tool, the option that we're going to be selecting is this AI Design Agents button up the top here. And then we are going to be selecting this pet portraits option. Now I have already created some AI generated animals just so I've got kind of like a variety to play with, but you can definitely just upload your own images just by using this browse button. So we're going to start off with this one here. And I thought we could just do like different types of styles for different pets, and then you can always play around and see how your results go. So for this one, we're going to start off with a royal, and we're going to just write wearing a crown and blue and white cloak. And we're just going to click generate pet portrait. Now this one, while it is loading, we can still continue to do the same process again. We don't have to wait for it to load. So we're just going to repeat this, and then we're just going to do a different pet. So we've got this dog here, and then we're going to write in firefighter wearing a helmet and a jacket. Now you can just write in like firefighter, you don't have to add in these extra bits. I just feel like it kind of helps the AI if you are wanting like extra kind of details. And then just bear in mind, because it is AI, some of them are not going to look that great, but I think he's turned out so cute. Oh, they look so cool. Perfect, so we'll continue with our list, and then we can see what kind of styles it does come up with like in the end. So we'll go choose from library, we're going to do the husky. And it is actually better if you can get a photo of the animal looking at you. Like some of these are kind of looking away, and that is going to reflect in the image usually. So we're going to go spa day, wearing a fluffy bathrobe and towel head wrap. Oh, what's going on here? Fluffy bathrobe and towel head wrap. We're going to go generate. So this one's looking away, but he actually still looks so cool. Alright, we're going to do this cavoodle. And we're going to write policeman wearing a hat and badge. Oh, cute. Oh, it's so cool. And you can see how fast this is as well. Like, this doesn't take long at all. And if you didn't like the image, you can just try regenerate it to see if you can get like something better. Oh, he's cute. Okay, I think we're up to this one here. We're gonna go baker wearing an apron and chef hat. Detective wearing a trench coat and detective hat, magnifying glass. Sorry, excuse my spelling. Okay, let's try that. Oh, I don't like this one as much. I feel like it's kind of, it's not missing an arm, but it just looks weird, the body. So I'll definitely regenerate that one. rockstar wearing sunglasses, leather jacket, and holding a guitar. Oh, he's not as cool as well. I mean, he's alright. It's just like really zoomed out. I don't know if it's just because the image isn't as clear. I gotta say, I love the dog ones though. I think these are so cute. The cat one over here looks cool though, and so does this one. I just don't know about these ones here. Oh, this one's cool though. I really like this. So cute. Okay, let's try fix these ones, and then I'll show you guys how you can upscale it and change the DPI just to make sure that if you're going to print it or you're selling it, that it is high quality. So we're going to try these three again. So I've got the Queen, the Baker, and the Detective. Oh, I can't remember which cats we done, but let's just do whatevs. So let's go Queen. Sitting on a throne chair with a crown. Let's change it around a bit, see if that helps. And then we're going to do the pet one. Baker wearing a apron and chef hat. Okay, that one looks a bit better. So this was our one before. And this is this one now. It is a different cat, but I feel like it turned out better. I love this one though. Even like the lights and the backgrounds are so cool. And let's just try that detective one as well. Detective. Let's just try detective. Let's see if it just comes better without adding the extra detail on it. It looks a little bit better as well. I can't say I love it, but it is better. But yeah, overall, I think we've got some really, really cool results. You can see how fast this was. Like, and Artistly does allow you to do up to 400 images per day, which is a lot. So you could definitely smash these out if you were like selling custom ones. But if we click on here, I think this is much better, and his eyes are like glowing, which is really cool. Perfect, so the next step would be to upscale these images. So if we just scroll across to this AI bulk actions up the top here, we can go create new action, and we are going to select all of the ones we done. So you can actually do up to 25 at a time. We'll just do it like that, and we're going to click on select. So we've got 12 of them, and then we're just hovering over it just to make sure that they have all loaded as well. And then we're going to select add step, upscale image, only upscale, and then we're also going to convert it to 300 DPI as well. And we're just going to name this 123. And you can see these are all currently processing at the moment. Perfect, and they've already started to load. So if we select this one here, you can see that it has been upscaled, and then it is just taking a moment to convert it as well. Perfect, so that one's all done. So if you had these, you would just make sure that all of the images that you're doing have completed that process successfully. And then you can just select bulk download up the top here. And then you can just select the ones that you would like to download, or you can just select it separately. You can also use this button here, and that would be all good to go. You can now frame your image, and yeah, I really hope that you've learned something new in today's lesson. I really appreciate your time for watching. If you would like more content like this, I would love for you to come and join my free Facebook group, which I will be linking down below. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.